So at 6 o'clock in the morning I have to go to the airport today. So I am out of the security gate. I just changed Swiss francs, never change. The exchange rate is terrible here. So when you need euros, change in your country before you come to Spain. So I take now the metro to the city Barcelona. I heard it's the cheapest way to go into the city. Too fast, so I have to wait to the next train because I listened to music and I thought I was already there to change the train, but there was one too soon. Well, I was still right, but now I will take the bus because I want to see the city. The first thing I see now from Spain. Oh, nice. Since every train in here is underground, I'm walking. So I am now in nowhere, middle in the city. Around 500 meters away from a hotel that I have, and I'm walking there. Beautiful weather, because the meter says Saturday should be cloudy, but it's not. I will enjoy it. Too early, no room available for me, so I left now the luggage in the hotel. Now I'm going back. Since I'm very near from a shopping center, I will go there back again, because I walked through the shopping center with the luggage and everything I had. So now I'm a little bit lighter, but the camera stuff. But who knows, maybe I will make a shot. Since I have a 3-day pass with the public transportation, I will wait until I can get into the room. After that, I will go into the city in the center and watch some highlights. But first, I need a card of the tourist attraction they have to offer. Well, it's Saturday, so many people. Lines everywhere. So I think I'm not so hungry to eat now. All Spain are hungry, so everywhere lines. I don't need to eat now. So I eat now. I found something. I didn't need to wait too long. So the fries were excellent, the burger as well. Now I will check in the hotel. I think my room is ready. Well, on the picture the room looked much bigger than here. I made it. I will just unpack everything, then I will make a small package and then we'll go to the city center. Oh, I didn't see it. The floor is still wet from the cleaning before. Well, I have a difficult choice to make. How much I will take with me today. I think I will take with me the 5D. Maybe with the tripod or not, but I'm not sure yet. And then of course the RX100 and this one here, the Hero 7. But I don't know, maybe tripod for nice time lapses. I'm not sure. So let's go out. So I'm on the way again. This one with the selfie stick. I think I will walk through to Walmart again and then go in the central. So I just made the picture and I just find out that I brought my wrong lens with me, with my Canon 5D. I brought the 1635 f4 IS lens instead of the 2.8. Bad, because the other lens is a little bit sharper, but it will be okay. just had a big shopping mall behind me. I'm not interested in shopping malls, so I will go back again. Well, it's a challenge to film and to take pictures, so I forgot one time to film and took only pictures. I really find the best way to know a new city is just walking and no highlights. Because this is my first day, I decided not to go to the top reason from Barcelona, but just walking streets straight through the city to see how the city really feels and the persons. And I like to walk a lot in a new city. And then you find such things and you are completely alone. So I'm again here. You sure recognize. Now I have to walk again a half a mile to the hotel. There are more people here than this afternoon. A lot more. I'm taking now, I think, a shorter way. I take a new way. If I'm lucky, I'm there in about 3 minutes or so.